Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to use the ABH Norvina Volume 2 eyeshadow palette. And the first shade I'm going to put in my crease. The second shade I'm going to put on my lids. And then the third shade I'm going to put on the end parts of my eye. Quick reminder before we get back into the look, I upload new shorts every Monday and brand new makeup tutorials every Friday. So make sure you subscribe if you want to keep up with all my content. Okay, I already put on my lashes and my moisturizer, and now I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. For primer, I'm using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Juvia's Place Iron Magic Velvety Matte Foundation in Kapala 340. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut. To highlight, I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Praline, and I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place bronzer in dark to contour my nose as well as bronze other parts of my face. Next, I'm using the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Honey Translucent to set where I highlighted at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in 65 Toffee. For blush, I'm using the Juvia's Place Blushed Duo Blush. This is the Volume 4 palette, and I'm going to take the top shade and use that. To highlight, I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter in Too Much. For lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Liner in Club Hopper and the ABH Satin Lipstick in Peach Bud. To set my face, I'm using the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. That's it for today's look. Thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget, new shorts every Monday and new makeup tutorials every Friday. Bye, guys.